Moin Gluntag, and today I'm excited because we are looking at a super sticky dough. Wait, in case you didn't get it, it's super sticky. And I never went this high in terms of stickiness. It had around 92% hydration. That's 90% plus another 2% coming from 20% of sourdough that I added. So I got a new batch of flour and I just wanted to test what's possible. The flour has around 14% protein and I took a video of how I'm shaping that into a nice sourdough bread. I'll be showing you exactly that, and then afterwards I'll be showing you the crumb, the final crumb of this amazing bread that I baked. I just love playing with this dough. It was so satisfying. I really enjoyed it. And now next up, I'm just going to prove it a little bit and then I'll be baking it and I'll be showing you the final crumb. And some of you are probably thinking now, why doesn't he increase the hydration even more? And yes, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in the next video. I'll be testing going even higher. Can we go for more than 1-to-1, more water than actual flour? And I've already been doing some experiments and I'm super excited to be showing you that in my next video.